Hello, in this video I will show you how to send a Amazon cart to someone. Like for example, as you can see, I have 19 plus items in my Amazon cart. Now, for this you will be needing an extension called Share a Cart, which you can directly get from this website. You can click on whatever browser you're using and get that particular extension, as you can see right over here. So just simply click on add and get that particular extension. It's absolutely free, so it won't be a big headache. Now once you've got the extension, what you have to do is go to the Amazon, and then you will find that cart option right over here. So what you have to do is click on that cart option, then click on create cart ID. Now wait for a few seconds and make sure to open your cart first. Then click on copy cart link. Then go back to this website right over here. Over here, what you have to do is click on receive a card, or you can also do it through this option over here as well. So if you click on this option, you'll have the option of receive a card. Then paste the card link right over here, then get card. Now it will open a new page, and right in this page you will find all the items that are inside my Amazon cart, as you can see right over here. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.